Looking to build a rewarding career in tech? Fotaizo Consultancy's upcoming workshop has you covered. Join us to unlock key insights into data governance, cybersecurity, business analysis, and project management. Dive deep into career roadmaps, essential skills, and the secrets to managing SMEs in these booming fields. Hear what past attendees had to say. Don't miss out on this chance to propel your career forward.
Alan, thank you for your session. I learned a few things.
Very impactful, very good, very impactful. I really got a lot. I mean, I'm so happy I attended.
Anyways, I like the fact that I was on this call. I'm so sorry I missed the whole thing. I wish I had come earlier.
Personally, I've learned a lot and I'm grateful for this opportunity to be part of the workshop, and hopefully I look forward to being part of more of this workshop.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Perception is reality. Do not use email that contains your full name on non-professional site.
Google Sheets is not the answer. Google Drive is not the answer. The global accepted tool is Microsoft Suite. You need to know how to use it.
Limit distraction. You want to be in a place where there's less noise.
You cannot apply for a job without understanding the requirements.
And so it's important that you see yourself as a brand. Google your name regularly. You go in incognito.
Whatever you studied in uni is not a waste. You can work with your university certification.
If it's not complementary to your brand, try to avoid posting such pictures.
And to match the requirement, you need to have work experience.
These were just a few of the highlights. Imagine what you'll gain from our upcoming session. Ready to take the next step? Scan the QR code to register and secure your spot. Whether you're breaking into tech or upskilling for a promotion, this workshop is designed for you. Register now and be part of a career-changing experience.